Well, we wanted to purchase the facility of Krones, which has produced good water facilities and supplied them to the world-leading bottled water companies. We have established business relationship with win-win strategy between both companies and purchased 3 units with full turnkey equipment for a short period of time. I hope that a good relationship will continue for the development of both companies. Krones is a company that provided the facility to efficiently produce bottled water for the health of humanity that Fine Bible is aiming for.
Ba 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 da da.